10 passive income ideas. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. What could be better than making money at the comfort of your home? Well, settle in as I take you through the best passive income ideas. Number 10. Vending machines. Vending machines provide a constant stream of income. And the good thing is that it requires minimum effort. For instance, according to 2015 US statistics, vending machines were about 5 million. And they were producing $20 billion a year. For a vending machine to produce a low turnouts, such as $5 per week, the challenge lays in the location. A bad neighborhood turns into a liability, but a strategically positioned place with the right products, it can give you up to $100 per week. It requires a lot of work in the beginning, but later requires minimum management. All you need to do before starting is study it deeper so as to understand its working in moving products and locations with the most buyers. Number 9. Print-on-demand business. Now this type of business isn't as crowded as other industries. Take an example from t-shirt printing. As per global market, for customer t-shirt printing, the income is estimated to cross $10 billion by 2025. T-shirts are cheap to source, customize, and appeal all. One only requires a good idea. For delivery and management, we have online platforms such as Teespring, which can sort it out. Your job becomes to design more and more t-shirts, then sell to new or existing clients. Number 8. Real estate investment trust. This type of investment is popular with people who are interested in real estate but not the managerial part of it. Here, rates are traded in the stock market, but with much higher dividend rate. The money one earns from this is from the high dividend rate. In short, higher dividend rate equals high passive income. One challenge with this type is that one might lose their investment at the cost of high dividend if they are not careful with the rate. Number 7. Rent a room on Airbnb. Humans are naturally social beings. They like to travel and explore different places. If you have extra room or rooms in your house, then take advantage of it. Renting out a room on Airbnb gives you more income than renting it long term. Number 6. Invest in a small business as a silent partner. Small businesses are highly profitable with low risk. For instance, a corner shop. You can join in as a silent partner where you don't need to be on the ground doing the selling, but rather you play the advisory role. Number 5. Monetize your ideas. When you have great ideas, telling them to your friends or new people all the time gets tiresome, as some don't take them into account. For instance, right now people are interested in the stock exchange. So many people want to join, but they don't know how it works. You can blog your ideas regarding the stock exchange into a website as an article and include ads, such that every time one views your article, you receive a commission. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. When COVID hit us, we were all locked up in our houses eating and watching. Most people gained weight, and as a result, we all turned to exercising. Exercise blogs came up and the bloggers came up with suggested meal plans and protein boosts to help monitor our calorie intake. What happens in affiliate marketing, the blogger now attaches a link in case one wants to buy the protein boost alongside other products. Every time one uses the link to purchase a product, they get paid. Number 3. Government bonds. This is the easiest and safest form of passive income, as it is unheard of to hear that a government is collapsing. All you do is to loan the government money, and they in turn spend it on infrastructure or anything else. Citizens then begin to pay tax, and the government pays you back in interest. That is not the only way though. You can sell these bonds in secondary markets. Number 2. Dividend stocks. Mature companies share their profits to shareholders. You can become a shareholder by buying stocks of a company. Some of the companies you can buy stock with the best dividends rates are Microsoft. When you buy the stock, you become an owner, hence Microsoft pays you profits. Currently, it pays $2 per share. It sounds low, but remember, it is a safe investment. Johnson & Johnson dividend stock. This is a medical company. It is known as the king of investments, as it has been increasing annually, currently at $4.04, equaling to 2.75% per share. With the company trying to manufacture the COVID-19 vaccine, stock might increase if they succeed. Apple dividend stock. We are all familiar with Apple as it manufactures your favorite smartphone. It holds a brand name, and with the pandemic, it has been considered the safest company in the world, with a revenue of $260 billion. The dividend is at $3.28 per share. Lowe's dividend stock. It is a retail company in the US dealing with home improvement. It is also the second largest chain, and in the past 5 years, it has been increasing its stock. Pays a dividend of $2.20. The Home Depot dividend stock. It is the largest home improver company in the US. Their stock has increased in the last 5 years with $110 billion in revenue and strong financial statement. It is a dividend of $6. Number 1. Skills. Your skills could be just your greatest asset. Think of a surgeon who gets paid millions because of their unique skills. Also think of how few they are worldwide. A lot of skills are getting in demand. For example, with the digital era, you can invest in high-demand skills such as coding. Once you acquire the skills, then you can charge a fortune for the services you offer in it. Thank you very much for taking the time to look at my video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and set on post notifications to receive notifications when new videos are posted.